Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. And if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. Those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. Hi, everyone. Today is another Try It Out Tuesday. And I thought I would share some things that I have been inspired to make from a few crafty friends. You know, we do have time to watch and explore and just enjoy um, viewing some of our crafty friends here, as well as being inspired by them. There are just so many places that you can look to for inspiration. And I am often inspired to create right along with you guys. So I'm going to show you 3 people that I recently have been inspired to make some things for. And I hope that it gets you guys excited and it inspires you too. All right, so the first person that I was inspired by is Judy over at Crochet Every with Judy. So Judy has a wonderful, wonderful channel, and she does a lot of crochet and just beautiful, beautiful items. She does a lot of challenges and make-alongs, and I just love seeing what she comes up with. In addition, she does some charity crafting, and I so love and admire that as well. Well, I happened to be watching Judy and she did a tutorial, and I just grabbed some yarn and I went ahead and got to work on making it. One of the things that Judy does in addition to her crafting is she loves to read. And so she does a lot of reading of books on her channel. And it's awesome because you can listen and craft while she's reading. You can just craft along as she's doing so. Well, this particular time, she went ahead and she made some bookmarks. And I thought, oh my gosh, those are so cute. I went ahead and I made a few. So here are 2 bookmarks that I made as a result of being inspired by Judy. And these are just so, so cute. I think the youngsters will love them as well as those of us who are kids at heart. So I would encourage each and every one of you guys to go over and check Judy out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to her channel. You won't be disappointed. All right. The next person that I was inspired to do some crafting by was Jeannie over at Butterfly Dreams Crochet with Jeannie. And Jeannie is always doing something new and exciting, and always encouraging and inspiring and motivating. So she is an author, and she has a few patterns that she has written, and they are awesome. Well, more recently, she's gotten into mosaic crochet, and she's come up with a few patterns that she has developed as a result of being inspired by the designs from mosaic crochet. I happened to be watching one of her make-alongs, and she made this beautiful sachet. And of course, I grabbed some yarn and got to work. And I had to do a few replays in order to get it, but she walks you through all the challenging parts. And once you get it, it is just awesome. So this is what I made as a result. Isn't this awesome, guys? I think it turned out so, so great. Now, the beautiful thing about this is I am a southpaw, and I was able to follow Jeannie even though I'm left-handed, and I love the finished result. So I want to say thank you so much to Jeannie, because I now have done more mosaic crochet and I have a finished item that I just adore. All right. Now, the next person, oh, I'm sorry. please go over and check out Jeannie. All right. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to her channel. All right. Let them know that I sent you over, please. All right. Now, the next person that I want to do a shout out to and show you some things that I was inspired by is Dana over at Creatively Created Crochet. So Dana also is an author, and she has written several patterns. And I believe right now, as of today's taping, she is on her 49th pattern. So she is right there at her goal. She wanted to do 50 patterns, and she is right there. And I know pretty soon she is going to have her 50th pattern. This is really, really exciting, guys. And this particular thing is not actually her pattern, but the reason that I'm showing you is because I was inspired by Dana when I made this. Dana does several live videos per day. And in the mornings, she does something called a craft hour. And she was doing a make along, and I thought this was a wonderful, wonderful project. This actually was a set of earrings. However, I didn't necessarily want to make earrings, and so I used a larger cotton yarn, and I turned them into coasters. So this is what I ended up with as a result of a make-along from Dana's craft hour. And I really do love the way they came out. They are very nice and dainty and will just brighten up a nice little section on a table or a desk. And I just love them. They're very quick to work up. All right. So yes, just you can be inspired by little things or by larger things. And the thing I love about these projects is that they were quick to make projects. They didn't take a long time. And you really do work on your inspiration and you help out your yarny friends at the same time, right? All right, now I have something that I think will inspire you guys. I'm going to turn this Try It Out Tuesday into a giveaway. Yes, that's right. I'm going to give away 2 of Dana's patterns. All right. She has a brand new pattern that is out, and I would like to encourage any of her patterns. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys an option. So what you will have to do is you will have to let me know which pattern from Dana's collection you would like. And then I will go ahead and pay for the pattern. So now that being said, this is not being sponsored by anyone else. I will be using my own funds to purchase the pattern, and you will receive an electronic pattern for winning it should I pull your name, okay? You must be 18 years or older. You must be subscribed to my channel, and I want you to go over and consider subscribing to Dana's channel, all right? Please let her know that I sent you over there, all right? Follow all the content guidelines for YouTube, please. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, the unique word I would like for you to use is hour, and that is to go with Dana's craft hour, okay? So I will put the word along the screen here so that you can see it, and make sure you spell it correctly. I'm going to use the comment picker to choose the winner. And so if it's not spelled correctly, then it won't pick up the comment, okay? This will run for 7 days. After that, I will go ahead and choose a winner, and then you will have 5 days in which to contact me to claim your prize, all right? Now, once you receive your prize, which is the electronic pattern, I would really appreciate it if you would consider, when you make the item, consider sending us a photo of what you made. We really do appreciate your purchases and whatnot. And we want to know that, you know, you were able to successfully make the item or what have you. So it's not a must that you do it, but it would be great if you would consider. Okay. All right. So yes, I think I have covered everything. Um, and if I have not, then I will put the information in the description box below. Okay. So go ahead, guys, and please, please, please be inspired. All right. So now next, let's go ahead and take a look at the solution for the word jumble puzzle from the last video. And here is what I came up with. And here is the puzzle for today. I am really enjoying the word jumble puzzles, and I'm glad that you guys are as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos, giving me a thumbs up, the encouragement and everything. I really do appreciate it, and I don't take it lightly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so that's all I have for today. Please stay tuned. Make sure your notifications are set to all so that you will know the next time that I have a video uploaded. I will see you very soon as I am still working on my Tree of Life project, and I want to show you guys updates on that. So I will do that in the next video. I want each and every one of you to be mindful, to do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.